Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do Mars, the red planet. We're going to scroll right down and get into the questions and answering the questions. So, first we have overall, the article is organized around the search for and discovery of Mars, the volcanoes and ice caps, the description and exploration, the names and colors. So, I'm going to look at the headers. And what do the headers say? Mars, the red planet, 2 moons plus seasons, proof there once was water, could humans live on Mars, how Mars got its name. So, I'm going to say the search and discovery of Mars, that is not correct. There's nothing in those headers that talks about that. The volcanoes and ice caps of Mars, maybe. The description and exploration of Mars, maybe. The names and colors of Mars, no. It's not going to talk about the names and colors. So your choices are going to be between B and C. The second question is, what is the structure of the section, proof there once was water? So we're going to go back here and look at proof there once was water. Scientists believe there were huge floods on Mars about 3.5 billion years ago. We do not know where the ancient floodwater came from. We do not know how long it lasted or where it went. Scientists are learning more about water on Mars, though. In 2004, the rovers Opportunity and Spirit landed on the planet. A rover is something like a cross between a robot and a truck. Both, both rovers found proof that there was once water in the places where they landed. In 2008, the Mars lander Phoenix arrived on the surface of the planet. It recorded snow falling from clouds. It also ran tests on the ground near where it landed. The test suggests that sometime in the last few million years, the area was wetter and warmer. Okay, so now we've read it. Now we go back here. What's the structure? A detailed description? A chronological order? That means, is it time? Is it sequence? This is another word for sequencing. Is it cause and effect? Or is it question and answer? So let's go ahead and look. Is it cause and effect? I don't see any because in here, so I'm going to say no, it's not cause and effect. So it's not cause and effect. It's not question and answer. That gives you two. Is it a detailed description or is it told in sequence? So that's what you have to ask yourself as you read this. Is this told in sequence? Is this a time thing? Or is this a detailed description? There you go. Number 3, look at the image in the middle of the article. Which sentence best describes this from the article best describes this image? So we're going to look at the image in the middle. That's this right here. Take a look at that. And which sentence do you think best describes it? So I think this one, like Earth, Mars also orbits around the sun. I'm going to say I'm going to eliminate that. I don't see Earth. It recorded snow falling from clouds. Do you see any snow in that? I don't either. So these two right here, I'm going to say have to be eliminated. That gives you the choice between A or B. So we're going to look at the graphic, quick facts. We're going to try to decide why they put it in there. So here's some quick facts. Right here, planet type, equatorial circumference, surface temperature, what's the atmosphere, all right? So now you get to decide, what's the purpose of quick facts? Are they presenting basic information? Are they showing detailed images? There are no images. This one cannot be an answer. Are they explaining cause and effect? Do you see cause and effect there? Or are they giving a comparison? If they give a comparison, Mars and another planet would be compared. Which of those do you think is the answer? There you go.